welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally and I hope you guys have had an amazing weekend. Alright guys, like I said, we're making chicken sweet potato curry sauce, and as you can see right here, we have some sweet potatoes that have been boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the reason why I love this recipe is that it's sweet potatoes, so they don't take long to cook. So what we're going to do, we're just going to let it finish cooking, and then we're going to turn on our gas. So you can get a wok or a frying pan, but I prefer a wok because it's wider and can accommodate a lot of things. So what we're going to first do, just get some chopped onions. But before that, we'll get some coconut oil and put it into our wok. And we'll just put some onions in there, as well as some ginger. You can add in some garlic if you wish, but I'll just do this too. And then we're just going to sort of cook this a bit until the onions get translucent. So as that's frying on a very, very high heat, I'm going to add in some white pepper, cumin, turmeric, and some coriander seeds. So just give that a quick stir. Our spices are going to actually cook inside the oil, and the flavors are going to be developing, and it's going to taste so amazing. I wish you guys can actually smell this right now. It actually smells so good. So our sweet potatoes, like I said earlier on, has been cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to drain out the liquid. Smells so good, guys. So we're doing this so that the flavors can marry together, and just on a low heat. It doesn't have to be too high. Just stir that together. And then right now, turn up the heat. We're going to take it into a food processor where we're going to process it and let it blend until it's completely smooth. So now we've put in our sweet potatoes. We're going to add in some milk. So you can use water if you don't want milk, or you can use coconut milk. So the next thing we're going to do is to turn on our gas again. You can use the same frying pan so that you can get all the flavors. And then we're going to take some oil. So while that is getting hot, we're going to take our chicken breasts and just, it doesn't have to be cut finely. We want it to actually have big chunks. At this point, we have our oil is already hot. Then I have this already pre-cut veggies that I got from Ego's Kitchen, so you guys should check her out. So I'm just going to take that and put it in. So we have our chicken breast in there. We're going to season it with some freshly grinded black pepper. We're going to put that in, and we're going to get our salt. So you just want your chicken breast to cook. So this should take about 5 to 7 minutes. This smells so amazing, and it looks so good. So right now, we have our chicken breast that's cooked. You can see how nice and brown that is. That's exactly what you want. So at this point, you reduce the heat to very low. So this is sweet potatoes, onions, ginger, and our spices. You can add a bit of water at this point, or that to a boil. Then you simmer it for about 5 minutes. So this is it after about 5 minutes. That's sort of taken up. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'll just add in some more veggies just for it to have a bit more crunch. And then you can turn up the heat and just mix that all up together. At this point, our curry is ready. So we're going to serve this with some rice. Or you can have it, honestly, you can have it with whatever you want. It's really yummy and smells so good. So just clean up and get ready to serve it with some rice. So guys, here we have the final product of our chicken sweet potato curry sauce. So I'm just going to dish this out for you guys to see it. Right here we have some cashew nuts. Tastes really good. Any curry that you're making, if you apply any form of nuts to it, whether it's cashew nut or pine nuts, it's going to really elevate the dish. So I'm just going to chop this up just to bits and then just toss that on top. Doesn't have to be fine or anything. Just have that up. There you have it, guys, our chicken sweet potato curry sauce. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot, and I really hope you guys are going to try out the recipe and let me know what you think. Once again, here is our final product, our chicken sweet potato curry sauce. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to follow